This method can help answer how this unique objective electrophysiologic visual field functional measure work in diagnosis of early stage of open-angle glaucoma. This technique can selectively stimulate M-on pathway, which is initially damaged in glaucoma, especially for early stage.
To set up the icVEP system, click the Setting button and confirm that the frame rate is set to 6 Hz. The luminance of the static background of the display is set to 51 candelas per square meter, and the total cycles are set to 20. To differentiate the OAG patients and control subjects, confirm that the sinusoidal temperature signals are set to 10 Hz at 6 frames per cycle, with a 15% positive contrast. To ensure the acquisition of reliable results, confirm that the refractive error is corrected to adapt for a distance of 114 centimeters, that the intraocular pressure is no more than 30 millimeters of mercury on the day of examination, that the pupil diameters are at least 2 millimeters and without mydriasis, and that each subject is at rest and is quiet at least 30 minutes before the examination. To avoid the influence of a study curve, check the right and the left eyes. Then check the right and left eyes again, and record the second result. Initiate a retest after